Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Dice and today I'm gonna give you some facts, some key facts about the law of attraction for you to apply in your life. So let's get started with it. Number 5. Well, this one's obvious, but it's real. This one is that the law of attraction, as it is in its name, it's a law. You cannot change it. You may like it, you may not like it, but it is what it is. This one is a law as the law of gravity. You cannot change it, you cannot transform it. It just is. So you better apply it for the better purpose in your life, which is key. Number 4. As Napoleon Hill, author of Think and Grow Rich, once stated, is that the burning desire for something in your life, as well as taking actions, create what you desire. And, on the other hand, having weak thoughts create weak outcomes. So you better have a burning desire for what you want in order for it to manifest. Number 3. You have to understand and really grasp that wishing will never work with the law of attraction. You cannot wish, you cannot want if you want to manifest. What you need to do is be in the vibration and in the frequency of already having what you want in life. By feeling the feelings and emotions of already being in possession of whatever you want in life, that's the easiest way for it to manifest in your life. There is no other way around it, so you better catch it. Number 2. As I said in other videos, you really have to be sure that you're detached from the feelings of how is it gonna come. As I talked in the other video that I will leave a link in the description, it works much faster and much easier when once you've asked for it and you've had the emotions of feeling in possession of what you already have right now. That's when it's easier for it to manifest. So the key is to detach. I'll leave you a link to the video. Number 1. You really have to grasp that we are more powerful than we think, and that we are more than human beings. We are divine beings connected with nature, everything with God and the universe. We really have to grasp that by taking the necessary steps towards the life that we desire, we will get it no matter what, undoubtedly. So, make sure to follow these steps to make the law of attraction work positively for you. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you on the next video. Goodbye.